Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Assembly AI. In order to do so, here we are at assemblyai.com. And if you come here, then you can go ahead and click on Get Started up at the top right-hand corner. What is Assembly AI? It is speech to text with powerful outcomes. Top startups and enterprises rely on Assembly AI's breakthrough speech to text and speech understanding models for reliable source truth data that powers world-class products. And you can try the API for free, or you can contact sales. Build expertly, scale effortlessly. Redefine what's possible with voice data all on one scalable API that evolves ahead of the industry and handles the heavy lifting. Speech to text, streaming speech to text, and speech understanding. Assembly AI has incredible accuracy in analyzing speech, and it is an industry-leading model on a developer-first API. Your AI product strategy depends on the foundation that powers it. Make sure you build on the best. Accuracy that makes an impact. Our speech-to-text models lead the industry in accuracy and deliver the most reliable audio outputs for standout user experiences. Industry-leading accuracy on alphanumerics, proper nouns, text formatting, and speech diarization, up to 30% less hallucinations than other providers, and preferred by 73% of end users in unbiased evaluations. Build beyond transcription. Powerful capabilities in groundbreaking audio intelligence lets you identify key speakers, customize outputs, and transform words into meaningful ideas, insights, and opportunities. So you can correctly identify speakers, automatically format text, and accurately capture multilingual speech with automatic language detection. Developer preferred and ready to scale. They're not playing around, but you can put our AI models to the test in our no code playground. So you can come here to explore the playground, and that gives you an idea of everything that you can expect here with Assembly AI. And if you want to get started, head over to assemblyai.com and you can try the API for free, or you can contact sales for more information on gaining full access. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. Don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the description, you will get $50 to start, and you can refer your friends and family and get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a win-win situation. Simply Financial is a fantastic bank and comes highly recommended.